Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Welcome to this European village in the heart of the Galleria. Convenient location, walk to restaurants, shops and all that the Galleria offers. Open living space with updated bathroom, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Covered walkway leading to a 2-car detached garage. West sliding glass doors leading to a small private back patio. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the second level. Gated community with numerous fountains, serene courtyard and community pool tucked away in the back. Call to view.